All right, sorry I cut off at the end of the last video. All right, so our three types of light behavior. First, we have refraction. So refraction is when light changes speed when it enters a new medium and bends. So remember, a medium is just what that light's traveling through. So let's use air into glass as an example. So remember, light's going to travel fastest in a vacuum and slowest in a solid. So when light moves from a gas like air into a solid like glass, it's going to slow down significantly. And that's going to cause that light to bend. So that's how things like a magnifying glass work. It bends that light. That's why things look funky or bigger or smaller or bent when you're looking at it through glass, because of refraction. Next up, we have reflection. Reflection is when light bounces right back off of a surface. And absorption is when the light is absorbed by a surface, which means it doesn't go anywhere. It absorbs it like a sponge. And lastly, we have our sound waves. So remember, our sound waves are different than light waves. They're not a type of electromagnetic wave. They're completely different. Sound waves travel through molecules bumping into each other, kind of like dominoes. So sound cannot travel through space. Remember, space, there's nothing there. There's nothing for that sound to travel through. Sound has to travel through something. Sound's going to travel fastest in a solid and slowest in gases. It's the exact opposite of light. Sound needs those molecules to travel, and the closer together the molecules are, that faster they can transmit that sound. So in something like metal or glass, sound's going to travel super, super, super fast. And then sound's going to travel a lot slower in things like gases, because those molecules are further apart. It takes longer for them to hit each other. All right, and that is our electromagnetic spectrum and light and sound. So if you can remember all of that, you know what you need to know for your midterm.